Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create email accounts in your cPanel. As you can see, our cPanel is now updated because now it's 2025 and a lot of new features have been added, and some of the features which were there have been removed or moved. So in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to create an email. It's very easy. So log into your cPanel, and on the top under emails you have something called email accounts. This is where you can manage all your admin email and other emails that you create for your website. So once you log into email accounts, just click on this create button here and enter the username. Let's see, for example, you can put like support or hello or your name based on your requirement, and that will be at yourdomain.com. And you can see I have 4 available and 1 used. That means I have created 1 email account, and there are another 4 that are that I can create. This is based on my web hosting package. Some hosting providers will give you unlimited email accounts, but I'm sure you don't need unlimited email accounts with any website unless you have a big business. So now I've created the username as support at howtoprofix, that's my website.com, and here you will set up the password. Make sure to set up a strong password. Let me enter a password here. Alright, after you enter the password, you have some optional settings here. If you want, you can explore that. So you can see this optional settings include how much storage space that you want to give. So like I said before, some hosting provider will give you unlimited storage space for unlimited storage for email hosting, and mine has the limitation, so it can be 1 GB, or if I want I can change this to 500 MB. For now I'll set this as 1 GB. And then you have another option called asking you whether to create automatic folders for plus addressing. Just keep the settings default and stay on this page after I create. Click on create. So you can see the email is now created. If you go back, you will see this email. Click on this go back button here, and there you go. You have this email here, support at those thing. But you'll see the storage when it is full. You will be able to go to the email and empty it, and you can basically trash all the emails that you don't want. So to check the email, you have to click on this button, and this will take you to the new tab wherein cPanel's their own email client will be accessible to you. So you can see we have this round cube. I'll click on open, and this is the interface. You can see we have received this email configuration email, and you have inbox, drafts, and just like any other Yahoo or Gmail or Outlook, you have some options here from where you can send and receive the emails. So let's close this and let's go back to the email accounts. So just like this, you can create multiple emails, and if you click on manage, you can delete or change settings for this email account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.